Here's a quick little video. I thought I'd show you what winterizing in San Diego is. And in my case, it's pretty simple. The Dodger. Because of my placement at Southwestern Yacht Club, being basically on the southernmost tip, and most winter storms come up from the south straight up the channel and right onto my particular dock, I've tried to reduce the wind load as much as possible. And that is basically all I have to do. There's no winterizing. It never gets below freezing. As a matter of fact, the real thing is to make sure the bilge is clean and that if any water gets into the boat from, say, a porthole that isn't sealed up properly, well, at least it's got a way out. But other than that, man, it's tough living in San Diego.